This isn't our story, it's our clients'. In just 5 days, their old racks came down, a new system went up, and operations changed for the better. Here's what they had to say. Meet the customer.
Hey, my name's Robert Baumgartner. I'm the store supervisor and kind of the lead of this project.
The need for change.
So we initially had the rack installed, and we determined after all the racking was installed that we had too many palletized locations and we didn't have enough small part racking. So we had to do a change out of palletized racking to small part racking to make sure we could house all the material.
From teardown to ready in 5 days. Step by step, the old system came down and a new one took shape. We dismantled, cleaned, and reorganized the space. We assembled new rows. Installed punch decking. Added safety nets, anchors, and secured the frames. By day 5, everything was in place, and the warehouse was ready for inspection.
The biggest change is being able to locate things in a timely manner. Our previous racking system prior to the palletized racking really wasn't one, so everything was just on the ground or on a shelf that wasn't designed to hold this type of material. So efficiency is really what we're gaining from it. And being able to keep our parts organized and in good condition.
Safety as a standard.
We want everybody to come in and go home with all their fingers, toes, come in and leave the same way they came. So everything we can do to make it a safer, more efficient process for everybody involved. And that's another reason why we went with the racking that we did, because it holds up and we don't have to worry about it collapsing or, and then parts falling on people. Even though we do require PPE, there's still some stuff that can happen, right? So.
Turning vision into reality.
Actually, it was a pretty good process from my start. I didn't start this project. I kind of picked it up in the middle and inherited it, but the communication was great. The installation was done a lot sooner than we anticipated it being done, so that was great. Yeah, I mean, it's what we wanted. It met our specs, and everything from there everything was good. I mean, like I said, the communication, you know, I had some questions up front with the sales team, and they were able to get them answered. I needed some things adjusted. They adjusted it, no problem. It was really great to work with.
Yes, the projects get us going. We love a challenge. And at Speedrack West, every tough job is a chance to make things work better for our clients. Speedrack West. Fast, easy, right.